Mame ma akwaba efa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me adwoa searching him. Endra ya wa ha ene hu se nsem bi trendy e wo internet ne so between Appiah Stadium and Honorable Asensu Boache. Aye na ya tibi ma be report kwa wo Ghana nsem Appiah Stadium and Honorable Asensu Boache back and forth. Na asema Honorable Asensu Boache e kan no. Endra me kan but in the mean for no. So sorry, asema Appiah Stadium mekan no. Asema no, just say it's so irritating. And yasema say will be one to catch any Appiah Stadium dey oti you. Na in some way e course no, and ya be condemn Appiah Stadium. No what matter so aba bonten be say be stupid agenda be be so be patch was so be kwasi asem kwa na Appiah Stadium ekeka. Na enkwofo omo e ka say omo dey man left right center omo abonidue yina. Yenti se nsem no esi ekoe.
Say 3 years wo Appiah Stadium yonko ne Akuffo Kwasiapanin jinifo asresre wo me se wo ne wasefo be sresre sa wo ba wiase wo amobra mo atohene Ashanti regional minister won kro ya branch wo ti pe no order wo ba didi Akuffo advance wo aye mo bokra chela branch na mo support no Germany na didi Akuffo advance mo tamanya kokko yin so atwede
wo Appiah kra wo ko bi ono so yele be ba ya
Stadium wo be ma wafu etoa wo se bi wo be ma so wa ya se akwehye wani se de ensu anya wo Kwasiapanin jimifo Appiah Stadium me se wo be sredi wo do ma betoto ani ntini ni abedie na wo be waja wo mo be sre sa kopim so wo be wu wo srefo Appiah Stadium ko shinie Pejuma ye, pejuma, fire, patriotic defenders.
Number 1 yeni. Appiah Stadium. Wo mesi waka entokwa chene ye. Wo papa pani a wo nanwene. Ede na mo hwehwe fere Akuffo ado ho. Ene wan fa mamo. Mo Kwasiafo bi sei papa we be hwe mo ma. Ete plus Bible si di waja no nani na kwan wale papa yi tifie agi na home. Wa fire so wa bedi fie nwotwe wokọ. O papa Kwasiapanin Appiah Stadium ubusuani ben ene beye common assembly mindpo Appiah Stadium ubusuani ben mpo ne beye assembly common assembly mindpo wabodam wate wanu nsuo se enwa wanu nsuo se 80 wanu nsuo se enwa yaafo wanu nsuo se 80 wate jimifo waye tutom amoakohena blantie mua wate bedwom anu oda Amoakohene ablantie mua wati bedwoma no atese nano no order waka bi Kwasiapanin
Appiah Stadium be Appiah Stadium nyina MPP fo
na ma ye
Appiah Stadium be Appiah Stadium
MPP fo
wonu kankan wo Appiah Stadium NDC fo so kasagu wo mo no mo pe baabi do mo fa wa so na aka sa NDC wo mo to
kankan
aboa nche
aboa na be chewa we wate ensu enua na be fa wa Appiah Stadium Kwasiapanin chimifo yeah, first na ya taswa mamo na MPP fo nkasa this time there ya senya no sesekan ya senya no ankasa aboa waye tutotom chimifo
ya ne mo be kon boot for boot ya ne mo be kon boot for boot mo ka sa first na ya MPP fo ma ya ne aka ya no tuma mo ba no be kika kwasa afiwe mo ye nyina ye ma ye wo bia ho bi wo bia mo si ye di betwa
chimifo mo chimi na party bi to send this woni munyansa sade na ado ho kodjone a na waye bomb adan wo man mo dia papa yi kona ho megie mu ma na nyina ho me Kwasiafo wa jimifo assembly man bi pie mu fie assembly man Appiah Stadium blofo kula wonte Kwasiapanin wo koye Akuffo ado ne nkana man kula ho wonfa so sene wo di asresre ho hyehye ena de chamato wo badin wo betu awiase nipa achichirifo nyina badin enso ma no mo ho ano na wankasa mu Kwasia mo bo adwene pa hene pa mo odi na Addo ni wuo tantantan ni funu kwantimi amfa ama ni kromo amesie emwa Kwasia mpafo agimifo ya me ne betua moka
kame pesen kame de da ana abra ebe so odin so ba weda wo yisu ni sisi aniti mefro Appiah Stadium. This is the reason why I on pay for no e ka se nkwani mbuade a na nkwani gina ho a omutimi hwe payimfo ni bi na ase omo se ya ade a ebe che se omu mbuade mo na a che payimfo no if you say this generation here wom no enkwani bebre enim nyansa che payimfo no mu bi a omo o man we sebi DNT, first of all, Appiah, who are you? Appiah Stadium. And you Ghana, my room, a phenomenal tranka, Appiah Stadium. Who are you? To me, catch the former president say, Whatwa, Nanu Son Soon, or no, dear, no, ye. Hey, Nyan PP, Assem, Nyan DC, Assem, Nyan PP. But the tennis, me, Fred Cation, me, Chassis, me, yes, Fred Cation. Ase akofo do chef education ase mi ko bi na me nye education na mi ko bi na na ye momo asema o ka say mahama 1 year we o de aba no e far better than akofo do 8 years e obitwa yi mahama de na waye akofo do first 4 years in the first year and taking 2 months and a policy or the buy so the education buy o ye mi school am ko ye Adwane Gary, first education. Adwane Gary, minimum call Kumasi Anglican. Adwane Gary need yogurt. Adwane Gary need yogurt, farm milk, Esadi and Casa account. Even and tomorrow crab be free at the aqua sorry crab, yet it's free. One of it my catch him say, Akuffo the first 4 years. Your NDC president do a bit do a Ghana swap, yeah, far better than Akuffo the 4 years. And a Ghana for one kind of pressure. Yet your man women and Nigeria and other countries ever say more president, all because of say for the first 4 years and no more Yama Ghana for no. It's the beyond the Akuffo Ghana president in other countries president in Poa. Who Appiah Stadium? COVID time Akuffo the original follow Ghanaians who didn't be kind of what Nancy if you TV because Akuffo Bibio became Pia the Yama Ghana is on point. Ghana for na yen because reason Bena and this for it market say almost 6 months $8 months so I go for do 4 years 8 years and go to me can say a friend say 17 cents $1 to 17 cents and she say yeah LPP na di kukwem san ko ma dollar eba from bad time no NABT omo and this bar so na dollar na ba from then na mama buy say me ade kura yen fa dollar no tonche dollar ba from and no ma be na ate so Ghana memu ase lorry fare be na ate so inflation your friend say full the could play right now they are telling your maso you say time and inflation here 24 you see about 4 like a flight a walk right the chain time and inflation here 24 inflation 24 then I'm okay say asem na nkomo be na mu dey say our appears it was self-interesting to me catch up for say na no so
be Appiah Stadium ne area asenso wo
oni ni se nyama ho no pese wo kire
because me hu boni asenso aka but say
o pese wo kire se
na tama de aka ayi
o pese wo kire se o ye NDC ni enti so man pani jondomani mahama ya ade na se ni ya adwene timamufo na ni ya adwene emfa ma ye nka ho asem say na Appiah Stadium pese wo kire ye se wuni kwasesem no di no
ti de be hu bi ya nya yenke anu ntu
are abana ye buoro aye timamufo ne to aba e de ma omapani enti so man pani ya ade bi na se nya na se ono oba ye road minister pai na so o chena adwena wo so wo ne dey wo chena adwen eni tu wo so di na tam e ma bika o mampanya Akuffo do a wo tin ba bi odwene ho enti se dom o mampanya jondomani mahama se we chena sei na se me di na tam a wo Appiah Stadium e de na be ka de fa ho e de kwasa sem no e de na ma mo na duru sa no o mampanya jondomani mahama e wo se wo tse Appiah Stadium wo ye wakra
aso wa ya de nani abone ho
o bo de nani bo na ho safo hene abaya etimi ene NDC abayo dabi Ghana nyina sana na MPP so no na MPP abai na Ghana man nyina eto mampani Akuffo da ka say ma Ghana for any spectators any citizens many spectators which means say any citizens there ade akoso o mampani Akuffo do pen so no na sanya yetimi ka saa so na so mampani jondomani mahama ya ade a e wo se yetimi ka na mom yetem didie
okay
e wo se wo che wadwene so doesn't mean say e wo se wo di atem enti Appiah Stadium adai na mampanya be di na aba ya wie na wo kono otifie na sa asenso na ye bone na wo twa asenso ni ma wo ye panyi twa asenso na ko fa o mampanya wo tonko edina tam se do wo busuo man ko ni nye anko ni nye wa ye wo se o ye papa bia anko ni nye wo Appiah Stadium kwa sa twa kwa gba o mampanya Akuffo do abaso pen
sa
se ni sam go wo ye guni papa
na sa na Addo aye bia ma ne pen
enti e ba ne sen Appiah Stadium
se bibifo na Ghana fo
onim nyansa wo ye panyi so onim nyansa me se wo ye panyi so onim nyansa
ya na ode na no
adai akoye bone na se wo twa akwa na twa akwa na nim but obi o tini ba bi adai
okay
amampanya Akuffo do o twem kwa enti oni ma
o ma
onima eti sa wampanyi firi wampanyi John Dramani Mahama e fa konya so na so okọ na so bi dinner time sia sign na wo be fili Appiah stadium mo nya sade na wo ye no mo nya sade no kura biem mo ntra biem wonya senso nya ni ndili wo le panyi tane sade wo ka no wo le panyi tane no enti foto bo obetimi de tu no afoto bo obetimi de tu no anya di atam kwa so ba wo kwa senso no kwa na wo fe no phone so no kwa no wo ani asenso atam na mmom obi papa panyi a wote ne ba bi a wo fra ba ne sokọ wo so wo panyi tane asenso ti asenso na ni obo no wo safere didi cancer hunu ti o mapanyi eru tu wo be jina de mo mapanyi ba wo so wo firi ho e say di o mapanyi bi a wo firi so kwa atam
wo so obi di
ati na tena se eti unyansa kwa didi ana
we would adjust and now say the be to say be as a problem no emmebim
ka wo se ka no beto asemu
it makes sense abansi wantimi antum because ekagu ho two world price now mo the year projection no dollar no so ye de na ye stronger enti ama
a BTA
enti ye de ko ni say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
onu akotenam
ka say we de mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say Ayɛka sa we say the point is that say well nobody would understand it defies common logic say market share 1,000 misu osemete so about 800 ni emfa ni sa because sikani ho
but is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
Cocoa farmer no projecting say nanko expect say nka be ya ni 6,000 wanye about 3,000 some to mu kakra bi ne ma no tua ne ka unya ntia ye twen so ba be ka nyansa samachre na o se mateso because we are but just a double stories sa sabi nsem hunu na MPP aban ye bi ane e ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook a enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the hwan me what say ka to politicians omunsia de o omunsia de na you see John Mahama we need to take the toughest decision into Akuffo Addo de ni wajimi
they won kasa ko you make
see we need to tell politicians who nim nyansa nchen school be no makwa chen school be no makwa chen
the level ko no level
o tia say President John Mahama wo PhD ne master's yesen Addo so let them not behave as if say they are superhumans and when you hear now fi problem e ba no anya ne betimi politicians
it's true
sabi who wo nimde bebre chankrofo bi a omuye ministers ne DCEs Addo let them not behave as if say
they are demigods
said yentimi koma sem na or your president dey you superhuman enu bi no mo ye kan yo menti afi di Akuffo Addo ekotefa so a ene and this is the danger. They be a catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinkano, woman defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
Who be message you was say a canica musano. Ono kwa bosion, ni projection they say, the end dadano. Says can they be bamana?
They don't have, you see,
it's a what
you see. When MPP a debt exchange program
affected him.
People, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians, because they have people defending them. No, what you want say? But they are silent people. They don't talk.
Yes,
and nobody na say me. They be a catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the ME and say, I catch a phone and no person which say, because say, Omunim Kakrenti, Omudominyan say, Babeches, would the Oka, what Jimmy, another name before no. The idea say, Oka Kokwa Semno, what Jimmy, Unim the Oka, Nadian, you are hollow, Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow, dear baby.
Me a hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
affected
they don't get it. And some you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chairman's account BB.
Okay.
Or say I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What their name Timin Drew say about the floating voters.
And they win yaba.
That's true. Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44%. And the floating voters, women decide who becomes the president. And we speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We speak to the float and entrench MPP near
Yeah. Somebody they look at issues with political lens.
Exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Akuffo Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But when you ask what power but you see the issue is that
every time, I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia, bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change Abba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man, you be komu, yarea ye komu, yare bi okra be mad. But because we love Ghana so much, ne dru be no, na ye yare because of Akuffo Addo. You be sorry ni akuma ye ya. Mina mini akuma yare. Akuffo Addo nti me nya akuma yare. So we don't want a situation where you be sa be sha se ni ekikam.
But don't you think that I mean, relaxing. I mean, viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Sobi and Yunami Fangu, dog, Akumas, dog, don't you think, say, yeah, Nema Basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions, which will, in the long run, inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akuffo Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akuffo Addo, tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akuffo Addo. They said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the oye now koye so what do I say? Edru maybe when certain taxes na say for eba it no what the same bottom. Taxes no Akuffo Addo si edition bottom. And yes, a campaigning against him. It now needs a cocoa sector no. Mama beto ka omujaka.
And MPP beto.
And MPP beto you know you omudie. And omajabi eka because a kabi a legacy.
Yeah, beto omuza.
A legacy where amuke musu mejaka. Because 4 years in beba no. Mo de ka and a beto aso.
I see. Let be edika o.
Eka ye won nyoma bi wo ha eka.
Ma mo me mfa politics ma di we because